I'm back with a new video. I'm finally returning from India to Cape Town through Doha. So I reached on time at Doha and I plan to go for a discovery tour. But I'm going to give you an important information on the discovery tour. It is like a sightseeing, 3 hours of sightseeing for the Indian passport holders and some other countries also included, where once they arrive, they give visa on arrival and they will take you for a 3 hours of sightseeing by the Qatar Airways. But somehow there is a change on this. When I arrived here and I checked with the Qatar Airways that I have a discovery tour at 11 am, 3 hours, then they told that the rule changed. You will not get a the visa and arrival for Indian passport holders. They have changed the rules recently. So either you need to book a hotel where you have to show a hotel stay, then only they will allow you, the immigration will allow you to go out. And this was really a setback for me. I was very upset that when I booked, this rule was not there. And then they told, unfortunately these are the immigration rules, they cannot they cannot challenge that. Even I also need to obey. Then I told, okay, then you cancel my tour and refund me the money. And that also they didn't agree, that that's not in the terms and conditions are there. So anyway, let's park that. I cannot argue with them. And finally I thought to talk to an immigration officer. I went to immigration captain. He was standing there and he was really helpful, and I'm very very thankful. I explained my issue. Then he given me and my family the the transit visa. I can go for a 3 hours of tour now, and the visa is valid till 25th. So that's the good part. I'm very thankful to the captain of the immigration department who really helped me. So guys, if you are coming to do a discovery tour, sightseeing of Doha, please check properly what is the current rules and regulations of this tour. So I will not waste my time. And okay, one more thing is, if you are here waiting for the tour bus and you are hungry, go to a restaurant called Harvest Market. It's just 2 floors up, where you are waiting for the discovery bus. You'll get all sorts of Indian food, including aloo paratha, noodles, biryani, everything is a reasonable price. Believe me, I ordered aloo paratha. It cost me around 600 rupees. So and the quantity is also very nice. So I had a very good breakfast. All my headache is now gone. So I am waiting for the tour bus. So let's watch the cinematic shot of Doha, okay, which I'm dreaming for so many years in my life to see proper, Middle East country or any of the place of this. I always used to watch from the top of the flight, inside the flight window. But now I'm going to literally see inside of a city of a Doha, like a beautiful city like Doha. So don't forget to click the subscribe button and stay tuned with my channel. See you in my next video. Let's watch the cinematic shot of Doha city. Thank you. Bye bye.